Good day everyone, I am Case Camille M. Magdaraag and I'm here to discuss team sport volleyball. What is history of volleyball? Volleyball was invented in 1895 by William J. Morgan, physical director of the Young Men's Christian Association in Holyoke, Massachusetts. It was designed as an indoor sport for businessmen who found the new game of basketball too vigorous. Morgan called the sport mintonette until a professor from Springfield College in Massachusetts noted the volleying nature of play and proposed the name of volleyball. The original rules were written by Morgan and printed in the first edition of the official handbook of the Athletic League of the Young Men's Christian Associations of North America, 1897. The game soon proved to have wide appeal for both sexes in schools, playgrounds, the armed forces, and other organizations in the United States, and it was subsequently introduced to other countries. In 1916, rules were issued jointly by the YMCA and the National Collegiate Athletic Association (NCAA). The first nationwide tournament in the United States was conducted by the National YMCA Physical Education Committee in New York City in 1922. The United States Volleyball Association (USVBA) was formed in 1928 and recognizes the rules-making governing body in the United States. From 1928, the USVBA, now known as USA Volleyball (USAV), has conducted annual national men's and senior men's age 35 and older volleyball championships except during 1944 and 1945. Its women division was started in 1949 and the senior women's division, aged 30 and older, was added in 1977. Other national events in the United States are conducted by member groups of the USAV such as the YMCA and the NCAA. Rules and regulations. Basic volleyball rules for playing the game: 6 players on a team, 3 on the front row and 3 on the back row. Maximum of 3 hits per side. Player may not hit the ball twice in succession. A block is not considered a hit. Ball may be played off the net during a volley, and on a serve, a ball hitting a boundary line is in. A ball is out if it hits an antennae, the floor completely outside the court. Any of the net or cables outside the antennae, the referee stand or pole, the ceiling above a non-playable area. It is legal to contact the ball with any part of a player's body. It is illegal to catch, hold, or throw the ball if 2 or more players contact the ball at the same time. It is considered one play and either player involved may make the next contact. A player cannot block or attack a serve from on or inside the 10-foot line after the serve. Frontline players may switch positions at the net at higher competition. The officiating crew may be made up of 2 refs, line judges, scorer, and an assistant scorer. Court dimensions. The court dimensions a volleyball court is 9 meter times 18 meter, 29.5 feet times 59.1 feet, divided into equal square halves by a net with a width of 1 meter 39.4 inches. The top of the net is 2.43 meter 7 feet 11 by 16 inches above the center of the court for men's competition and 2.24 meter 7 feet 4 by 16 inches for women's competition, varied for veterans and junior competitions. The minimum height clearance for indoor volleyball court is 7 meter 23 feet, although a clear 8 meter 26.2 feet is recommended. A line 3 meter 9.8 feet from the parallel to the net is considered the attack line. This 3 meter or 10-foot line divides the court into back row and front row areas, also back court and front court. These are in turn divided into 3 areas each. These are numbered as follows, starting from Area 1, which is the position of the serving player. Officiating. In playing a volleyball game, the duties and functions of officials should be defined because it is important for each player to know the limits of the authority and his relationship to others. The officials are composed of the first referee, the second referee, the scorer, and the linesmen. Scorers. The official scorer keeps track of the score throughout the volleyball game. Before the game begins, the scorer notes the starting lineup of each team and notifies the referee if the lineup wasn't received on time. If a dispute or irregularity arises regarding the score, the scorer uses a buzzer to notify the first and second referees. Additionally, when a substitution request arises, the scorer notifies the referees. Line judges. At least 2 and as many as 4 line judges monitor each game. The line judges stand at the corner of the court, watching the lines to indicate whether a ball in play falls in or out of the court. If a server steps on the line during a serve, the line judge watching the given lines the referees using a flag. When a player touches an out-of-play ball or if the ball hits an antenna, the designated line judge also indicates the interference. First referee. The first referee stands on the referee's stand and controls the play of the entire game. Whatever issues arise during the game, the first referee determines the call and that has the final say. After making a call, no player or other referee can argue the call, although a formal protest can be replaced with the scorer. Before the match begins, the first referee inspects the equipment and the players' uniforms. The warm-ups and the coin toss also fall under the jurisdiction of the first referee. Throughout the match, the first referee makes calls regarding faults and scoring issues. Following the match, the first referee notes the score and signs the official paperwork. Second referee. The second referee works to assist the first referee throughout the game. If for some reason the first referee can't finish her duties, the second referee may take the place of the first referee. The second referee stands next to the post opposite the first referee. In addition to assisting the first referee with determining faults throughout the game, the second referee is in charge of all substitutions, timeouts, and the actions of the scorer's table. Volleyball game. Volleyball is a team sport in which two teams of 6 players are separated by a net. Each team tries to score points by grounding a ball on the other team's court under organized rules. It has been a part of the official program of the Summer Olympic Games since Tokyo 1964. Volleyball, game played by two teams, usually of 6 players on a side, in which the players use their hands to bat a ball back and forth over a high net, trying to make the ball touch the court within the opponent's playing area before it can be returned.